In this demonstration, we begin at the Intellicode landing page, which serves as the primary entry point of the platform. The landing page presents an overview of the system's purpose as an integrated learning management and programming education platform, highlighting its core features such as course management, coding activities, assessments, grading system, and AI-assisted evaluation. From this page, users are given access to essential navigation options including sign up and login, allowing both new and returning users to access the system. As shown on the landing page, Intellicode introduces a modern and interactive platform that supports both instructors and students through personalized and data-driven learning experiences. The system features integrated coding environments, secure assessment tools, structured coursework management, and real-time feedback mechanisms designed to strengthen programming mastery and improve instructional efficiency. The homepage highlights the core capabilities of the platform, including AI-powered coding assessments, secure coding activities, course and assignment management, grade and progress tracking, and certification support. Intellicode also provides a streamlined learning process where instructors can easily create and manage courses while students can access lessons, complete coding activities, monitor progress, and receive verifiable digital certificates upon course completion. To begin the process, we proceed to the sign-up page where new users can create an account by providing necessary information such as name, email address, password, and selected role within the system. In this case, the instructor role is chosen to access teaching and course management functionalities. Once the registration process is completed, the instructor account is not immediately activated. Instead, it is marked as pending approval, as it must first be reviewed and approved by the administrator to ensure proper role validation and system security. Only after admin approval is granted can the user proceed to access instructor-level features within the platform. Next, we proceed to the login page where registered users enter their credentials to access the system. If the account is still pending approval, login access to the instructor dashboard is restricted until the administrator activates the account. Once the account has been approved, the system verifies the user role and securely redirects the instructor to the instructor dashboard. This marks the beginning of the instructor's interaction with the Intellicode platform, where all course creation, teaching tools, assessments, and student management features become accessible within a centralized interface. After successfully logging in as the administrator, the system redirects us to the admin dashboard, which serves as the central monitoring and governance hub of Intellicode. In this dashboard, the administrator can view real-time analytics and institutional data such as the total number of users, instructors, students, courses, enrollments, and certificates issued within the platform. Visual charts and performance summaries are also displayed to provide a clear overview of overall system activity and academic performance. These analytics help the administrator make informed decisions and effectively monitor the learning environment. Next, we proceed to the user management section. In this module, the administrator can manage all registered accounts within the system. The administrator can search users by name or email, monitor account statuses, approve pending instructor accounts, suspend users when necessary, and maintain transparency by requiring reasons for suspension or rejection actions. This ensures proper institutional control and security within the platform. After that, we move to the course management section. This module is responsible for the structured course approval workflow of Intellicode. Here, instructors submit their created courses for review before they become accessible to students. The administrator can inspect course details, review submitted content, and either approve or reject the course. If a course is rejected, the administrator can provide feedback or reasons for rejection to help instructors improve and resubmit their courses. This process ensures quality assurance and academic consistency across the platform. Lastly, we move to the profile section. In this area, the administrator can update personal information, change passwords, and manage profile pictures to maintain account security and personalization. Overall, the admin module of Intellicode provides a centralized, secure, and data-driven environment that supports institutional oversight, academic quality assurance, and efficient management of the entire learning platform. After logging in as an instructor, we proceed to the instructor dashboard where all teaching-related activities and course management tools are centralized within Intellicode. From the dashboard, the instructor can immediately view an overview of key academic metrics such as created courses, enrolled students, pending submissions, grading activities, and other real-time teaching data. This dashboard allows instructors to efficiently monitor their classes and overall course progress in one unified interface. From the dashboard, we proceed to the course management section where new courses are created and configured. The instructor inputs essential details such as course title, description, category, estimated duration, difficulty level, grading weights, and sets the required passing grade for the course through a dedicated set passing grade option. This allows instructors to define the minimum score students must achieve in order to pass and qualify for course completion and certification. Each course is assigned a unique invitation link that students can use for enrollment. Once created, the course becomes part of the instructor's course list, where it can be further organized and managed systematically. Next, after creating the course, we proceed to the module and lesson creation phase, which serves as the structural foundation of the course content. In this section, instructors can organize the course into multiple modules based on topics or chapters. Each module contains several lessons that break down the subject matter into more detailed and digestible learning units. Within each lesson, instructors can input lesson titles, learning objectives, instructional content, resources, multimedia materials, and coding examples. This hierarchical structure ensures a clear and progressive learning flow for students, allowing them to learn step by step in a structured learning path. Instructors also have the option to keep modules or lessons unpublished until they are ready for release. Once the course structure is prepared, instructors may submit the course for administrator approval before it becomes available to students. This ensures that all courses meet platform standards before publication. Next, the system also supports upload-based coursework, which allows instructors to assign traditional or file submission activities. In this module, instructors can define coursework instructions and require students to upload files as their final output. Supported file types may include documents, PDFs, images, compressed files, or project archives depending on the activity requirements. Instructors can configure submission settings such as file size limits, allowed formats, due dates, and grading criteria. This type of coursework is designed for non-coding activities such as written reports, documentation, design outputs, and other academic submissions. Once the coursework configuration is complete, the instructor can publish the activity, making it accessible to enrolled students. Intellicode also allows instructors to review submissions, monitor completion status, and evaluate student outputs directly within the platform. Next, we proceed to the creation of Code Sandbox programming activities, which is one of the core features of Intellicode. In this module, instructors can configure coding exercises by providing activity instructions, starter code, programming language selection, and evaluation settings. The integrated coding environment supports programming languages such as Java, Python, and C, allowing students to write, run, and test their code directly within the platform. Instructors can also enable additional configurations such as submission limits, secure browser settings, and grading criteria to maintain academic integrity during coding assessments. An AI-powered evaluation feature may also be used to analyze code quality, logic, execution results, and performance to support grading efficiency. Afterward, we demonstrate the creation of quiz-based coursework. Intellicode allows instructors to create different question formats, including multiple choice, identification, enumeration, and true or false questions. The instructor can encode questions, assign points, configure answer choices, and set deadlines directly within the platform, providing a centralized and efficient way of conducting assessments without relying on external tools. Afterward, we proceed to the student management section where instructors can monitor enrolled students within each course. This module displays student information such as names, email addresses, enrollment dates, progress percentages, last activity records, and overall academic standing. Next, we proceed to the gradebook section. In this module, instructors can monitor both individual and class-level performance through organized grading summaries and analytics. The gradebook automatically computes grades based on the grading weights configured during course creation and displays student scores, averages, submission statuses, and overall progress. Next, we move to the certificate management section. In this module, instructors can manually review students who successfully meet the required passing grade for the course. Once validated, instructors can issue official digital certificates containing the student's name, course title, completion date, instructor information, and a unique reference number for verification purposes. If necessary, instructors also have the ability to revoke certificates with a stated reason to maintain transparency, authenticity, and institutional credibility. After successfully logging in as a student, the system redirects us to the student dashboard, which serves as the main hub for all academic activities within Intellicode. In the dashboard, students can immediately view their active courses, pending tasks, earned certificates, and recent announcements or notifications. From here, the student can also join a course using an invitation link provided by the instructor, allowing fast and secure enrollment into available courses. Next, we proceed inside the course environment. Here, students can access structured modules and lessons designed by the instructor. Each lesson contains organized learning materials such as text discussions, images, videos, and coding-related resources that support self-paced learning. The platform also provides a progress tracking system that visually displays the student's advancement throughout the course, helping learners monitor completed and remaining lessons. After that, we move to the coursework and activities section. In this module, students can complete assignments, quizzes, and coding exercises directly within the platform. For file-based activities, students can upload documents and other required files directly into the system before the deadline. For programming activities, Intellicode provides an integrated code sandbox environment where students can write, edit, and execute code using supported programming languages such as Java, Python, and C. The coding workspace allows students to test their logic and immediately view outputs while maintaining a secure and centralized coding environment. Next, we proceed to the quiz and examination section. Intellicode utilizes a secured browser environment to maintain academic integrity during assessments. The system monitors unauthorized activities while students answer quizzes and coding examinations, ensuring fairness and controlled testing conditions throughout the evaluation process. Students can answer objective questions such as multiple choice and other quiz formats directly within the platform, while their scores and submissions are automatically recorded. After completing the assessments, we proceed to the grades section. In this module, students can view their scores, overall grades, submission results, and grading breakdowns based on the criteria set by the instructor. The gradebook also displays progress indicators and percentage averages, allowing students to monitor their academic performance and identify areas that may require improvement. Finally, we proceed to the certificates section. Once the student successfully completes the course and meets the required passing grade, the instructor may issue a digital certificate containing the student's name, course title, completion date, and a unique reference number for verification. Students can directly preview and download their certificates within the platform as proof of course completion and skill mastery. Overall, the student module of Intellicode provides a centralized, interactive, and secure learning environment that supports coding education, progress tracking, assessment management, and digital credentialing within a single platform.